Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these luscious party ready waves using my Indian wavy hair from Hair Us. Ooh, look at that bounce. Don't forget to put on your glove. Things are going to get hot. So let's get started. So you want to section off a piece of your hair and make sure it's tangle free. Wrap it around your wand. And you want to hold it for about 8 to 10 seconds. I'm dancing a lot in this video. Now, when you feel like the hair is nice and hot, you want to squeeze it while it's cooling off. And this is going to ensure that the curl is extra lit. Now I'm going to speed it up a bit so you guys can see me do the same thing on the next piece of hair. So we're wrapping around. I'm pushing that hair down just a bit so it all could fit because this hair is 28 inches. And I absolutely love it. I feel like it holds a curl so well. And it doesn't take long for it to curl. You know how some hair, you're sitting there curling it for like 20 seconds and you're like, oh, this is still not what I want. This hair is super easy to curl. Make sure you're grabbing smaller sections than I'm grabbing right here. The smaller the section, the less seconds you'll have to wait and the better the curl will be. You can even see the difference from this curl to the last curl, but that's okay because these are just waves. But if you want better precision and tighter curls, then you would get smaller sections. Hair Us has 3 different locations: Atlanta, Miami, and LA. But you can also find them at www.hairus.com, where they have many styles to choose from. I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's definitely for the on-the-go girl. That last-minute party that your friends invite you to, you can definitely slap this bad girl on, style her up, and go. Hair Us has got us covered whether you like that sexy, silky straight, curls, or even wonderful waves. Definitely be sure to check them out. I will put the link to them in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.